Nemo, the Snowpocalypse, drifting right into the house. Back porch is actually clear because the wind's blowing so hard, as you can see. It's a winter wonderland.
February 9th, 2013, the blizzard of 2013. And the snow is up to the hood of the Subaru and drifting around as he tries to shovel us out.
What's that, about 3 feet high, maybe? Maybe a little more. 1 meter.
Woo-hoo-hoo. Came right back on me. Going inside. Couple of feet worth.
Nemo. As you can see, some parts of the ground are bare, but that's just because the wind's been blowing the snow off. About a foot has fallen, maybe more. Drifting, as you can see.
Scoop and away it flies. The wind blows hard.
Yes, sir. There's Nemo. Wouldn't they name it Noma?